Home charging is the most convenient way to keep your Tesla Model X powered. Let's explore your options from basic outlets to Tesla's dedicated solutions. For basic charging, standard 120-volt household outlets work, but are slow at 2 to 3 miles per hour. Upgrade to a 240-volt NEMA 1450 outlet for better speed, though still limited. Tesla's wall connector is the optimal home charging solution, delivering up to 11 kilowatts and potentially 22 kilowatts with upgrades. It requires professional installation, but offers fast, efficient charging. Use Tesla's mobile connector cable with safety features. Adapters help connect to various outlets for flexibility. To optimize, set charge limits to preserve battery health and use the Tesla app for monitoring and scheduling. Let's start with the simplest option. Standard household outlets. A regular 120-volt outlet provides the slowest charge, adding only 2 to 3 miles of range per hour. Upgrading to a 240-volt outlet, like a NEMA 1450, is better, giving you 10 to 12 miles per hour. However, frequent use of a 240-volt outlet isn't recommended due to circuit limitations. Remember to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure safe installation and code compliance. For faster charging, consider the Tesla wall connector. It connects to a 240-volt circuit and delivers up to 11 kilowatts, significantly reducing charging time. With the V12 software update in late 2025, some Model X owners can unlock up to 22 kilowatts, doubling their home charging speed. Note, this requires a compatible wall connector and potentially a hardware or software upgrade. Installation typically requires a licensed electrician and might need an ADA circuit for optimal speed. This upgrade provides much faster home charging compared to standard outlets. To maximize your Model X battery's lifespan, set charge limits. The Tesla app and touchscreen let you cap charging at 80 to 90% for daily use. This prevents overcharging and degradation, potentially extending battery life by 10 to 15 years. You can easily set these limits through the Tesla mobile app or your vehicle's touchscreen interface. Simply adjust the slider to your desired maximum charge level, typically 80% to 90% for everyday driving. By limiting charges to 80 to 90%, you prevent overcharging, which can degrade the battery cells over time. Studies show this practice can extend your Model X's battery life by 10 to 15 years, compared to always charging to 100%. The battery management system optimizes charging based on temperature and state of charge, ensuring safety and efficiency. It monitors voltage, current, and thermal conditions to prevent damage and maximize performance. Setting appropriate charge limits is a simple step that significantly contributes to maintaining your Tesla Model X's battery health over many years of use. One of the coolest recent developments is bidirectional charging, also known as vehicle-to-power or VTP. Your Model X can act as a home battery backup during outages, feeding power back to your home or the grid. As of 2026, over 30% of Model X owners in the US use this feature. It can even earn you credits for supporting the grid during peak demand. Integrate solar panels with your Tesla Model X charging setup for sustainable energy. Solar panels on your roof generate electricity from sunlight, which can directly power your home and charge your vehicle during daylight hours. Add a Tesla Powerwall to store excess solar energy. This battery system holds the extra electricity generated during sunny days, making it available when you need it most, including overnight charging or during cloudy weather. Your Model X can function as a solar battery through vehicle-to-power technology. By enabling bidirectional charging, your vehicle can discharge stored energy back to your home, providing backup power during outages and enhancing energy independence. Participate in Tesla's smart charging programs. By partnering with utilities, these programs schedule charging during off-peak hours, reducing strain on the electrical grid and potentially lowering your energy costs through time-of-use rates. Explore incentives and rebates in your area. Many regions offer tax credits, rebates, and other financial incentives for installing solar panels, power walls, and EV charging equipment, making the transition to sustainable charging more affordable. Let's look at some real-world examples. In San Diego, a Model X owner saved $500 in utility bills over 6 months by using their vehicle to power air conditioning during peak summer heat waves. In Texas, Model X vehicles provided backup power to hospitals during emergencies through Tesla's virtual power plant program. These cases demonstrate the practical benefits of home charging and bidirectional capabilities, showing how Tesla Model X can save money and provide reliable power. Tesla's CTO emphasizes that home charging is the backbone of EV adoption. Experts strongly recommend setting charge limits to preserve battery longevity and reduce degradation. Bidirectional charging capabilities in vehicles like the Model X are expected to dramatically lower household carbon footprints when integrated with renewable energy sources. Future developments include faster home chargers reaching up to 35 kilo AC by 2028, along with AI-driven smart charging systems that optimize energy usage based on your driving patterns. Stay informed about evolving regulatory trends and available incentives to maximize the benefits of your Model X home charging setup. By following these expert tips and staying current with trends, you can optimize your Tesla Model X home charging experience for efficiency, cost savings, and environmental benefits.